All right, hello, my wonderful students. The next one we have is a cube root. We can see it's a cube root because we have the 3 here. That's the cube root. So we need to get 3 copies in order to get it out. And I'll explain what that means right now. So we're going to start off the same way we did in the last one. Do it blue this time. We're going to look 2 numbers that multiply to equal 448. I know we can divide that by 2, and we get 224. This one is also even, so we can divide that by 2, and we get 112. 112 is also divisible by 2 here, so we get 50 plus 6, so 56. 56 is also divisible by 2. Up a little bit. And that would be 2 times 28. And 28 is divisible by 2, which would be 14. And then we'd have one more divisible by 2, which would be 2 and 7. All right, so we have, these are all our prime numbers here that we have to use. So remember, just like in our last video, we had to pair them up into 2's because it was a square root. This one being a cube root, remember cube root, we're going to pair them into 3's. So I'm going to group them into 3's. So I have my first set of 3's here. So that would be the cube root. Well, I guess put them all out first. So we have 1 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's that are there, and then the 1 7. Okay, and that's what we have here. Okay, we're going to group them up into cubes because we need to have copies of 3 to get it out. So just like in the square root, when we have 3 of them together, we have 3 copies of 2. So this would be the cube root, 2 cubed, because these are 1, 2, 3 copies. And then we have another 1, 2, 3 copies times another 2 cubed, and then times our leftover 7. So in order to come out of a cube root, we need to have a cube here. So these would simplify out with this one here, and this would be 2 out times 2 times our cube root of 7, because it cannot come out. You need to have 3 buddies in order to come out. So then we do 2 times 2 is 4, and we're left with 4 cube root 7.